How to use Google account on iPhone 15. To sign in to Gmail account, first of all what you need to do is simply go through your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, scroll down a little bit, there you will see mail option, tap on it. From there select accounts and then go through add account. Now here you will see a lot of medium, you can choose any one. For now I am choosing Google. Now, simply press your email address and hit on done. Then there you will see next option. Tap on it. Now you have to verify by your Face ID or your passkey. Once you are done with it, you are good to go. In this way, you can easily use any Google account on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.